From the National Weather Service in Raleigh, here's your weekly impact weather briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period today through Sunday, the 5th through the 11th of August. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this week's weather pattern. So we have a cold front that's just west of the triangle. That's really slow moving, so we'll call it a stationary boundary for now. That frontal system will slowly push east and will set the stage for scattered showers and thunderstorms today. And there's another frontal system that will bring another chance for some rain, showers, and thunderstorms perhaps on Wednesday. And the main hazard, of course, will be locally heavy downpours, localized poor drainage flooding. Right now, we don't expect any widespread severe thunderstorm threat in terms of wind or hail. You can never rule it out in the summertime, but the main threat will be heavy downpours, localized that is. So that'll be the case. Tuesday, we're still going to have pretty much normal daily rain chances, but little less organized, say, than today or on Wednesday with the frontal systems. Now, by the late week period, we'll be between systems, frontal systems. So it looks like Thursday and Friday, the rain chances will be less than they typically are for a typical summer day. And then over the weekend, we've got a frontal system coming through, and it looks like maybe Saturday, late Saturday and into Sunday may be dry. It's hard to say how far south that frontal system will push through. So right now, we have basically expectations that the front will push all the way through, and that should put us on the dry side, but that could change. But nevertheless, no major weather systems expected during the late week or weekend period. So we're not going to completely rule out rain chances late week and weekend, but it doesn't look like anything widespread. All right, so with the pattern, with this type of pattern, and really no air mass changes, temperatures will climb into the 90s as the week progresses. So perhaps the two main potential hazards this week will be any localized heavier thunderstorm that produces some poor drainage flooding. That would be our concern number one. And concern number two will, of course, be the heat, with temperatures climbing into the 90s as the week progresses. Right now, the tropics are quiet, so let's hope it stays that way, but we'll see. All right, so anyway, here's the severe thunderstorm potential courtesy of the Storm Prediction Center for days 1 today, 2 Tuesday, and day 3 Wednesday. And the light shade of green basically is what we call general thunder. And right now the expectation is we're not expecting any severe thunderstorms or organized severe weather. So that's what the light green shading means, although there could be some just ordinary thunderstorms. All right. As we look to the accumulated precipitation or accumulated rainfall, this can also give you an idea of not only is it going to rain that particular day, as indicated by the text above each image, but also how much. So you can see the bulk of today's rain is expected closer to the coast, although anywhere in the state could see some rain. Tuesday, more, as I kind of pointed out earlier, more widely scattered in nature, no real heavy organized rain expected Tuesday. And then perhaps a little bit more focused rain chances for the middle of the state for central North Carolina on Wednesday with that next frontal system. Thursday and Friday right now look mainly dry. And then Saturday and Sunday, the thought there is that the best moisture available to interact with that front will be closer to the coast. So most of the rain chances are confined, higher rain chances are confined to the east. So when you add up 7 days worth of rain, it looks like the heaviest rain will fall east of I-95. All right, so that's the way things are shaping up rainfall-wise. As I mentioned, the tropics are quiet for now. Of course, the peak of the season is in early to mid-September, so we got a ways to go yet for the tropics. And then looking ahead to the next week, next week at this time and beyond, temperatures basically averaging close to normal, warmer as you head south, cooler as you head north. So we're kind of in that transition zone, and really no tilt in the odds toward above or below normal precipitation in the 8 to 14 day outlook. All right, so that pretty much wraps up our presentation for this week's Monday morning weekly briefing. We'll summarize it up with these 4 bullets. So frontal systems will set the stage for scattered showers and thunderstorms today and again on Wednesday. Main hazard being locally heavy downpours and localized poor drainage flooding. Rain chances will decrease during a late week period, and then temps will climb into the 90s as the week progresses. So watch out for those heat hazards and heat impacts as we head through the week. Right now, the tropics are quiet. So that does it for our Monday morning weekly briefing for Central North Carolina.